Good day, my dear grade 7 students. So how are you today? I'm hoping that all of you are doing fine and safe at home. So for now, we're going to discuss about measurements and how you are going to convert one metric unit or one unit to another unit. Okay? So if you have question, again, please do not hesitate to ask your teacher. Okay, class. So for now, we're going to discuss about measurement. So it is said that the temple of Apollo of Dedima is located in Dedima, Turkey. It was built around 300 BC. The design of the temple is dipteral, which means that it has two sets of columns surrounding the interior section. This architectural design is from the Ionic order. The columns of the temple surround a small chamber that housed the statue of Apollo. These columns reach a height of 19.5 meters, or said to be 64 feet. The construction of the Temple of Apollo is only one of the many proofs that people of ancient times were already doing measurement, even without the system of measurements that is being used today. So we have here what do we call as the English system, and of course the metric system. So the English system are the following, which is to be seen in our book on page 134, where it is said that 12 inches is equivalent into 1 foot, 3 feet is equivalent into 1 yard, 5,280 feet is equivalent into 1 mile, 3 teaspoon is 1 tablespoon, 16 tablespoon is equals into 1 cup, 1 cup is equals into 8 ounces, 2 cup is equals into 1 pint, 16 ounces is equivalent into 1 pound. 2 pint is equivalent into 1 quart. Of course, 4 quarts is equivalent into 1 gallon. And 2,000 pounds is equivalent into 1 ton. While when we say metric system, it is the modern system of measurement. It is simple and scientific. All its measurements are based on multiples or powers of 10. The name International System of Units, or the SI, refers to this modern metric system. So the first one is the measure of length. The first standard unit for length was cubit. The distance, or that is the distance from the elbow to the extended finger of an adult. Cubit was developed by the Egyptians in 3000 BC. In today's measurement, a cubit can be compared to 1 foot. When we talk of height of a person, size of clothes, or any object in the house, lot area and distance, they are all involved length, or there is an appropriate unit for each length. For example, we have the meter, the kilometer or the kilometer, inch, then we also have the millimeter. So for example, we are going to measure the length of a pencil. So if you're going to measure the length of a pencil, of course, the appropriate or the possible measurement is, for example, we need to use centimeter. Well, for example, we are going to measure the height of a dining table, we use inches. Distance to travel around a track oval, we use kilometer. Then diameter of a dining plate, for example, we use centimeter. And of course, when we say metric system, so the standard unit of length, remember that is a meter. So in the metric unit of length, it is said that we have 1,000 millimeter is equivalent into 100 centimeter, or 1,000 millimeter is equivalent into 1 meter, and 1,000 meter is equivalent into 1 kilometers. Okay? So for now, we're going to discuss on how you are going to convert one metric unit of length to another metric unit of length. Okay, class. For example, you are going to convert 5 meter into millimeter. So remember, we have 5 meters times, of course, we're going to multiply it by 1,000 millimeter all over 1 meter. So that we can cancel meter and meter. So we have 5 times 1,000, we have 5,000 millimeters. So therefore, 5 meter is equals into 5,000 millimeter. Okay, that is how you are going to use the metric unit of length. Okay, my dear grade 7 students, so that is how you are going to convert measurement. So again, if you do have questions, please do not hesitate to ask your teacher. So I'm hoping that all of you are safe, and of course, you had new learning for today. So thank you, and God bless everyone. Stay safe.